everybody, it's me, Emily, and this is my good friend Lauren, and we're about to make lunch, and we thought you might be entertained by our amazing choice for food. We're making dinosaur chicken nuggets, which makes me thoroughly happy. I'm quite pleased. Quite pleased indeed. So, we decided we're going to make our little stegosauri, brontosaurus, tyrannosaurus rexes.
This is a velociraptor!
And then this dinosaur, whatever this one is, it looks kind of like...
It's a voluptuosaurus.
Like your boobs. It's like an orgasm of chicken.
Oh wow! Where's the plate for frozen dinosaurs?
Cryogenically frozen.
You have to protect the oven from sheer destruction.
At least this isn't a microwave, because tinfoil in a microwave does not bode well. Speaking from experience. ... How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 2 more.
Wow, we're having 12.
Yes, we need the Mighty Kids meal, which includes 6. Except the only thing is we're not getting a toy.
That sucks.
Or
let's make our own toys.
Oh. Fail! It doesn't even fit.
Wait! Don't do anything right now. Bake.
You gotta
400. Wait.
You gotta turn it on.
No!
400 degrees.
Right there.
Wait, how do we turn it on? I don't know if we're doing this right. I'm blaming you.
Or we can just put them in the
Well,
big oven.
we have this instruction manual.
Instruction manual on how to make chicken nuggets. That's
No,
really
this is not
sad.
how to make chicken nuggets. This
Wait,
is how to turn
temperature
it
mode!
on!
I saw a thing about temperature. The oven, rotate temperature knob clockwise to the desired setting. Both heating elements function when the unit is set from 150 to 450. On the bake setting, only the bottom element functions. The oven temperature
I'm turning it off. So
is maintained at approximately 400 to 425. 450 toast mode. We don't care about toast mode. Oh,
the light's not going on.
the timer. When the timer is set.
Oh! Wait, that's how! Okay, how long does it say? 10... Okay, I get it now.
Oh, I found it! You found it.
I did it! I'm skilled. Yes, we gotta do dance. We figured it out, Dave! We figured it out! Oh, sorry.
I want a Coca-Cola.
I want your face. Do I want a cookie? Is that even a question?
I'm watching you, chicken.
Sourdough pretzels with dinosaurs. Really? That doesn't mix. Sunshine. This is disappointing. Disappointing? I just said disappointing instead of disappointing. Disappointing. This is disappointing.
White corn jumbo taco shells.
I want those.
I thought it said that was from God. I'm like, what the heck?
Yes, my dad is God. Cook 'em! Yeah! Chicken nuggets!
Do you like ranch?
Shut up! Yeah! Singing like Michael Jackson! You do. Chicken nuggets! And I'll harmonize. Chicken nuggets! Sounded like murder. You're just full of inappropriateness today. I mean, today aren't you? Today. Look at it. Those look so good. I'm proud of you and me and of us. Ketchup.
That was disgusting.
That was beautiful. Ketchup sparting. My arms are like soft.
I will be here all day trying to do this.
Thanks for watching, guys. There was nothing really a point to that except for just to watch us make food in you to get hungry. That's all. Thanks. Bye.
Make a porno, then you'll get subscribers.
I'm not gonna make a porno.